76 Suba Republic Day celebration Kangpokpi Thomas Ground Deputy Commissioner Mahesh Chaudhary na Jati gi machu ahom gi firal paihandana celebration hodokhi. March past punna contingent kunhumloi na saruk yakhi. NCC cadets, ICDS, ex-servicemen contingent, uniform contingent digi police, CRPF amasung tongan ba school gi contingent sing na saruk yakhi. Chief guest Deputy Commissioner na contingent gi salute pikhi. Thoram manungda natki oiba zagoi kaya suotkhi. District Administration Kangpokpi amadi ICDS Project Kangpokpi na khutsamnaraga tararuk suba Beti Bachao Beti Parao scheme gi palan amasung sensitization gi thoram DC Complex gi conference hall da pangthokre. DC Kangpokpi na athoiba mithung oina saruk yakhiba palan thoram aduda ICDS gi supervisor sing amadi atei vibhag ki district level officers sing na saruk yakhi. Thoram aduda scheme asiga mari leinana district asida paikhatkhiba thodang kayagi matangda ICDS project ki wa ngangkhi. Amasung project na mapung phahannabagidamak pledge sulokhi. Mahakna haikhibada BBBP gi scheme asi makhatana lakliba March ki tang 8 phawbada tongan ba mari leinaba vibhag singa khutsamnaraga thoram kaya paikhatnaba sem saba loire haikhi. District Administration Kangpokpi gi mityeng makhada road safety campaign January 1st degi 31 phawba chathari. Campaign gi saruk ama oina Elite Higher Secondary School Kangpokpi da quiz competition on road safety gi thoram ama chathari. Makhatana road safety man gi thoram manungda District Administration Kangpokpi ga SP office na khutsamna duna Run for Safety campaign gi thoram ama oina Transport Department personnels amasung CRPF personnel sing na marathon amasu lokhatkhi. Morbungda leiba Letpao Hospital gi anoba building Kangpokpi village da Reverend D. Angyal na inaugurate tokre. Thoram aduda pu haukulet kipgen MLA 51 Side 2 Assembly Constituency na Chief Guest Oibiri. Pu Helen kipgen Social Worker na Guest of Honor amasung Khubthang Sithaw Director Omega Public School na Functional President Oibiki. Letpao Hospital gi staff Kangpokpi Village gi ningtho amasung jila manungda dignitaries kaya na saruk yakhi. 37 Battalion BSF ki mityeng makhada Kaithamanbi Military Colony Village da Civic Action Program gi thoram ama oina free medical camp pangthokhi. Khunja sing amasung khungi manakta leiriba IDPs masing cha amahena khudong chaba lokhatli. Khungi maikaidagi Kaithamanbi Youth Association na 37 Battalion BSF singbu mahak thamoi singna thagatpa phongdokhi. 112 Battalion CRPF ki mityeng makhada Civic Action Program ama Phailang Village da pangthokre. Mahakna sports item, solar lamp, school bag, dustbin yinthokhi. Thoram aduda free medical camp su chathari. Jila manungda leiba District Malaria Office na su mateng pangbikhi. Phailang Village amasung Luwang Sanggol Village dagi khunja 170 mukna saruk yakhi.